domination. I've got, as you can see behind me, a lot of these trees look like they're in rows and files, and that's actually because of human activity. This isn't a completely nature trail because about 36 years ago this area was a farm for trees, and thus it's actually human interfered.
Cool, it's going.
As I said earlier, that a lot of this area was actually affected by farming. UNF took a different approach by making the farmers used to plant 18-inch pine saplings and then basically try to eradicate any other type of plants that were competing. UNF took the complete opposite approach by now introducing native plants that try to compete for